Hey everybody, this is Paul, and this is sad news. Now, I had a dripper, and the cap came off of it, and I heard it, and I didn't do anything for like a month or two. And I killed my ALOE FEROX because I was lazy. So you can see this is what happens when you waterlog a beautiful aloe, and it turns into death. So what happens here is the leaves will start to get saggy, like these types of leaves here. And actually, let me come around back. What happened was I started to notice that these leaves here were sagging, this one right here. And that was about a week ago. So I replaced the dripper cap down low here, you can see it. And I took it off just to show you what happened, because I couldn't find the old one. So I replaced it with a 180, but it was too late. It continued to sag, and I knew that was a bad sign. You can see how plump they are, just filled with water, way too much water. And that, of course, leads to a soft stem. And then, worst of all, the outer leaves will turn brown at the very tips, which didn't happen too much on this aloe, but definitely turned brown in here. And you can see it's just going to continue to lose its leaves like this and rot. So, man, do not overwater your aloes. We had pretty good drainage here, but that just shows you that one dripper can kill a very large aloe tree. So, what a bummer. And this is not actually an aloe tree, it's one very tall single stem aloe. So that's why it's not gonna branch out and pup or anything. This thing is a goner, but I will leave it here for a while. And hopefully Scott will show you some beautiful red flowers now that it produced. So we did at least get to see it bloom one time, which was really awesome. And man, I'm gonna be more careful and less lazy from now on. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care. Thanks for watching.